Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add a drop shadow in Photoshop. So let's start the video. First, make sure you have the layer selected that you want to add a shadow to. This could be text, a shape, or even an image. Now go down to the bottom of the layers panel and click the apex icon. From the list, choose drop shadow. A new window pops up with all the drop shadow settings. Use the distance slider to move the shadow away from the object. You can adjust the angle to control the direction of the shadow. Change the speed and size to make the shadow softer or sharper. You can also change the opacity and color of the shadow for different effects. Once you are happy with the look, click OK and your drop shadow is applied. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.